Yes. All right. So my name is Miguel Lima. I'm part of Porto Space Team. We're a student team based in Porto, in Portugal, and our goal is to build a hybrid rocket that goes to 3 kilometers. And we're competing in the SRAD category. So we're basically designing and building all of our stuff. So a bit an overlook of our Invictus 2. There are some parts missing here. We're basically here with only the external structure. The propulsion part, the motor and the tank, oxidizer tank, are in Porto still because they are being tested to resolve an issue regarding the motor. But we can start from the bottom up as we're approaching here. So here in the space we have basically a module of the combustion chamber and the exterior structure. So here below here we have the boat tail, which is SLM 3D printed, made of aluminium. We have 2 inserts here, which are from the all down system, which is a requirement that Europe made for this year. This one is passive, so it breaks at a specific force, and that's how we hold our rockets till it holds or till it gets to a level of thrust which provides stable flights. So these are fins. Our fins are also quite innovative this year, or innovative. They're basically made of a 3D printed core in FDM, but made of a really stiff material, one of the highest available stiffest materials that we can find. It's called PPACF. It's a really pricey but really good material for FDM applications. The fins are made from a PPACF core, then carbon fiber is embedded in the fins to connect them to the external tube. The tubes are also always made of carbon fiber. Then we have here the main coupling to the main structure, which is we call this a cage, the connecting cage. This holds the lower feed systems that connects and feeds to the injector in the combustion chamber. These are all aluminium. And yeah, I don't know if you have any question regarding these parts, or if I can move on.
I can move on.
We can move on. So as I was saying here, this is a main structural cage. It connects the combustion part to the other part of the rocket. This cage is made out of aluminum. It starts as a tube, and then it's machined and laser cut to hold the windows. This was made to basically have and provide quick access to the lower feed. So here we will have all the lower feed connections, the hydraulic connections. This module also holds the cameras of the rocket. We have 2 cameras, one looking at the skyline and one looking downwards. And then we have the window that is attached to the rail of the rocket,